After 50 questions, our next question is a 12th question. So open circuit. So in any open circuit, voltage is very high and current is almost zero. So here I have given one network. So in that network we have two loops. This one is a first loop and this one is a second loop. So first loop in closed system and second loop in open loop system. So here in first loop I1 current is high and second loop I2 current is 0 because I2 loop or otherwise I2 second circuit, whatever it may be the network withdrawn from that network, a second circuit is in open circuit condition. Because of that I2 current is in 0 condition. This will be useful for your external and lab external Viva also. Out of these 50 bits you will get 30 marks. So 5 short answer you will get, and out of these 50 bits you will get at least minimum 2 to 3 long answers. So totally you will get 30 marks. No need to spend more time to read those 50 bits. Just you have to use bus journey time to read these 50 questions and watch these 50 questions every day. So every day you watch, in a sense, definitely these 50 short answers will be by hearted for you. So need to pass in BEE. Okay. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you, in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.